welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. In this video I'm going to talk about Morse code, its significance and why it is used. So before talking about this, let me give you a brief introduction about the video that was played before. So that was nothing but Morse code, and you now might have guessed it, how Morse code would look like or how it sounds like. So let's start it. So Morse code was first developed by Samuel Morse, and the main thing about Morse code and what makes it different is that it is consisting of two things: dots and dashes. So duration of dash is equal to 3 dots. So dot is something like dot, or dash is something like dos, or you would say dash. So basically it can be dits or das, or either you can also refer to it as dots and dashes. So I have talking about the significance. So this Morse code is used in various domains, especially in situations where somebody wants to express or convey a message through something that they do not want to use their voice for, they can make use of eyes. Like this would be a dot, and if I close my eyes for 3 times the duration of what I did before, then it would be a dash like this. So that's how they can convey their message. So you can think of it like one more additional tool in your communication toolbox. So it was used by soldiers before in situations where they lack sufficient conveying, or they do not feel like they should convey that kind of message. So if you are interested about learning more about these situations, its significance, and how you can memorize it faster, so I have put a link in the description of this video. Please make use of that link. So in that video the guy will be explaining how you can memorize it as well. So it would just make things easier. And if you're just more interested about learning Morse code, you can refer to the Wikipedia page that I have put the link in the description of this video. I hope you have found this video insightful and probably learned something new today. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.